In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants in Wix. Imagine you've just created your fabulous online store, and now you're ready to offer products with different variations like size, color, or material. Setting up these variants correctly in Wix ensures your customers have a seamless shopping experience and you get the important details right. Let's kick things off by navigating to Wix.com. Open your browser, head to the Wix website, and log into your account. This is your starting point to access all the fantastic features Wix offers for setting up your store. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with a list of all your sites, if you have multiple. Now go ahead and click on Select Site to choose the particular site where you want to add product variants. With your site selected, locate the Catalog option to access the store settings. This is where you can manage all your products, including adding new ones and setting up variants. Once in the catalog, look for Store Products and give it a click. This section contains a comprehensive list of all the products in your store. Don't worry if this list is empty. You'll be adding a new one shortly. Next up, click on New Product so that you can start the process of adding a new item to your store. When prompted, select Physical Product, since we are dealing with tangible items you're going to ship to customers. Once you've opened a new physical product window, it's time to get creative with your product details. First, enter a catchy product title that will attract your shopper's attention. This title will appear in your store, so make it descriptive yet concise. After setting the title, navigate to the Product Info section. Here, you need to enter the product name, the details that describe your product precisely, highlighting its features and benefits. Crafting a compelling description can make all the difference in engaging potential buyers. Now, on to pricing. Carefully set a price that reflects your product's value while considering market competitiveness. Once you've input all these details, it's crucial to save your progress. Find the Save button and click it. This ensures all the information you just put in is securely saved in your Wix store's database. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new product to your Wix store along with its variations. It's a straightforward process that allows you to tailor your offerings to meet the diverse needs of your customers. Remember, giving your customers options empowers them and can significantly enhance their shopping experience.